how do you get the most out of what you've got? Whether it's a company trying to maximize profit with a limited budget, or an engineer designing a soda can to hold a specific volume using the least amount of aluminum. This fundamental question is at the heart of optimization. It's a mathematical approach to finding the absolute best-case scenario when faced with certain limits or constraints. The core tool for solving these puzzles is calculus, specifically the derivative. Think of a function as a landscape of hills and valleys representing, say, profit versus production. The derivative is like a tool that tells you the steepness at any point on that landscape. To find the highest peak, the maximum profit, or the largest area, you look for the spot where the ground is perfectly flat, a place where the slope, or the derivative, is zero. These are called critical points, and they hold the answers we're looking for. Let's make this real. Imagine a farmer has 100 meters of fencing to build the largest possible rectangular pen next to a river. The river acts as one side, so they only need to fence the other three. This is their constraint. We can create a function for the pen's area based on its dimensions. By finding the derivative of that function and setting it to 0, calculus pinpoints the exact dimensions, 25 meters by 50 meters, that enclose the biggest possible field. It's the same logic for making an open-top box from a flat sheet of cardboard by cutting squares from the corners. Too small a cut and you get a shallow box, too big and the base shrinks. Calculus finds that perfect sweet spot for maximum volume. This isn't just classroom theory, it's the hidden math that designs efficient structures, plans the shortest delivery routes, and powers economic models. Optimization is a powerful way of thinking, a method for turning constraints not into problems, but into the precise instructions for achieving the best possible outcome.